Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Java and Jmeter are installed, because Jmeter is just a Java app. Once done, open Jmeter GUI and create a new test plan. Add a thread group immediately so you can set the load, threads, ramp up, and loop count. Make sure to name the thread group clearly. It helps when tests grow. Then add an HTTP request sampler as your first actionable test step and configure server, path, and method so the test actually fires requests. You now build the middle of the test. Add samplers, assertions, timers, and listeners so results are meaningful. Once configured, parameterize inputs with CSV data set config to scale realistic scenarios. Make sure to use variable references like $user and to set file sharing options correctly. Add a regular expression extractor or JSON path to capture dynamic tokens and inject them into subsequent requests. Also, pace requests with timers to you finish by running a small pilot, then scale up, never jump to full load. Once stable, run non-GUI mode for accuracy and save a JTL results file. Make sure to analyze with aggregate reports or push metrics to influx/Grafana for deeper trends. If things go wrong, check Jmeter error logs, server responses, and look for missing variables or timeouts. Increase socket and connect timeouts cautiously, and rerun the scaled test. This confirms fixes without wasting resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.